Giko ne tumire maromo 200 maidore gweng' Malugulu e kar chond bura Mabutula County ma Busia. Otudi kod teko mar stima bang' tieko chenro machwalo teko manotele kod jatend jotije piny owacho Felix Koskei. Chenro no motele kod duol makayo teko e gwenge Rere kendo achiel kuom chenro maduong' ma piny owacho tiyogo en ni teko mar stima ochopo e gwenge mapok oyudo teko. Jatelo maduong' mar Rere Dr. Rose Mkalama wacho ni piny owacho keto tenge omenda mar bilion 6.8 mar chenro machwalo teko mageto anyuola mar 9,300 e counties 4 mar yimbo ma piny Kenya. Kaunti ma Busia oketne omenda mar bilion 1.4.
Safari yangu kutafuta stima ilikuwa ni shida kwangu sana, changamoto mingi sababu tumekuwa na shida. Watoto wanarepewa kwa geti yangu hapa kwenda kwa shule. Watoto wakisoma saa zingine anua tu msoma ikikatika, mtoto masomo yake nakatikia hapo, hakuna vile mwangaza yenye naona. Sasa hii stima imeniweka mahali pakubwa sana.
Hii phase 1 ya huu mradi wa kuweka stima wameweka households 180 zimekuwa connected. They are already using the electricity. Phase 2, we still have 200 homesteads to be connected in phase 2, and then the whole area will be connected.
We are targeting to connect 93,000 customers within the 4 counties. When I come to Busia County, the investment in Busia County is 1.45 billion shillings. Again, that we are going to implementing with Kenya Power. We are going to be implementing 241 projects, and we shall be connecting close to 17,000 customers.
Ukweli inaendelea paka hata Yesu arudi. So watu wa Butula hatuna maneno, sisi tunafurahia. Umeona stima imekuja. Hii Lugulu itapata 200 people connected and 19 million. The entire county. How many people? 2,000 or what? 20,000. 20,000 people will be connected. The entire Western, 93,000 people. That is progress.